Hi everyone, I'll continue the same chapter, area and perimeter of circle. Question number 38. Question says that in the figure given below, ABCD is a rectangle. So you have a rectangle. AB is 14 and BC is 7. Taking this as diameter, 3 semicircles are drawn as shown in the figure. Calculate the area of the shaded portion. So you have one semicircle, second semicircle, and third semicircle. Question says that calculate the area of the shaded region. Oh, sorry, this is not there. You have semicircle inside. Area of the shaded region. So you have dimensions given in the question. AB is 14 and BC is 7. This portion is 7 centimeter. Look at the diagram carefully. You have rectangle. Write down the dimension. Length of the rectangle is 14 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 7 centimeter. Then you have a big semicircle. Big semicircle. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal, so you get 14. This is the diameter of big semicircle. Diameter is 14 centimeter. Calculate radius, half, 7 centimeter. There are 2 small semicircles at the sides of the rectangle. Small semicircle. Diameter is given. This is entire part is the diameter of small semicircle, that is 7 centimeter. We get the radius 7 by 2 centimeter. You know all the dimensions of the given figure. Area of shaded region. You have some part of rectangle shaded, so area of rectangle plus area of 2 semicircles is shaded. Small semicircles. Big semicircle is unshaded, so you have to subtract it. Area of big semicircle. And then you start writing the formula. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. There are 2 semicircles, 2 into pi small r square divides by 2. Minus pi capital R square divides by 2, it is big one. Once you write down the values correctly, you substitute. Length we know this is 14, breadth is 7, 2 cancels, pi is 22 by 7, radius of small one is 7 by 2, 7 by 2 minus pi is 22 by 7, radius of big one is 7 into 7, whole thing divides by 2, so you write 2 here only. Now cancel it. 7 cancels 2 11 times. You cannot cancel now. 7 cancels 2 11 times. Write down the values which are left. Area of the shaded region equals to, multiply this, 98. Multiply this, you get plus 77 divided by 2 minus 77 only. After this, 98 plus, divide this, 3815 minus 77, add it up, 8 plus 8 is 16, 9, 12, 13.5 minus 77, subtract 136.577 5 9 16 minus 7 is 9, 12 minus 7 is 5. You get 59.5 centimeters square. This is the area of the shaded region. Question number 31B is an important question. Question says that you have a figure, calculate the length of the boundary and area of the shaded region. Semicircle. There are two small semicircles like this, and this portion is shaded. Question says that three semicircular arcs, big one, two small ones. Smallers are equal, these two are equal. If the diameter of larger one is 10, so separate the diagram. Big semicircle, diameter is given in the question, which is equal to 10 meter. Calculate radius 5 meter. So this total length is given, which is equal to 10. So we got the radius 5. Small semicircle. This portion is radius of big one and it is diameter of small one. Diameter is equal to 5 meter. Radius is 5 divided by 2 meter. Dividend fraction. Question says that calculate the perimeter. So perimeter means you start from here, one curved part, circumference of big one, circumference of small one, circumference of small one. This portion has been asked to calculate the length of the boundary of the shaded region. So length of boundary. Length of boundary equal to circumference of big semicircle plus circumference of two small semicircles because they are equal. Now write on the formula. Circumference of big one is pi capital R plus 2 pi small r because they are equal. Simplify this, or you can take pi common and calculate. Take pi common, capital R plus 2r will be much easier. Pi is given 3.14. Radius of big one is 5. 2 into 5 by 2. Cancel it. Add it up. 3.14 into 5 plus 5 is 10. Multiply this, you get 31.4 meter. This is how we calculate the length of the boundary of the shaded region. Second part question says that calculate the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region. Big semicircle's part is shaded. Area of big semicircle plus small one is also shaded. Area of small semicircle. This portion is not shaded, so you subtract. Area of small semicircle. Now you write the formula. pi capital R square divides by 2 plus pi small r square divides by 2 minus pi small r square divides by 2. There is a condition in the question, small ones are equal. So plus minus cancels. You can cancel it. Value of pi is 3.14 into radius is 5 divides by 2. Simplify this. You can cancel here to 1.57. So you get 1.57 into 25. Multiply this, you get the value of area of shaded region in meters squared. It is an important question, so you have to analyze the diagram and then proceed with calculation. Question number 33. Question number 33. You have the diagram given. Similar question. Rectangle. You have a quadrant and then semicircle. Dimensions are given in the question. Rectangle ABC, AB is 14, BC is 7. A quarter circle and semicircle are removed. Calculate the area of the remaining piece. This quadrant and semicircle is removed, so you have to calculate area of the remaining portion. Again, you have three diagrams over there. Rectangle, length is given 14 centimeter, breadth is given 7 centimeter. You have quadrant here. Radius of the quadrant is given 7 because you can get a circle here. Then you have semicircle, the small one, this portion. So for semicircle, this entire length is 14. 14 divided into 2 parts, 7, 7. So diameter is given. Diameter is 7 centimeter. We calculate radius. 7 divides by 2 centimeter. You know all the dimensions. Calculate the area of the remaining piece. Area of remaining piece. It is cut from the rectangle, so area of rectangle minus area of quadrant minus area of semicircle. It is removed, so it is subtracted. Length into breadth minus quadrant, pi r square by 4, pi r square by 2. Substitute the values. Length of rectangle is 14, breadth is 7, minus 22 divides by 7 into radius is 7, 7 divides by 4, minus 22 by 7, radius is 7 by 2, 7 by 2, 2 at denominator, right, 2 there. Now proceed with calculation. 7 cancels, 2 11 times. 7 cancels, 2 11 times. 98 minus 77 by 2 minus 77 by 4. You can directly divide or you can take LCM and simplify it. I'm taking LCM of the entire numbers. 2, 4, LCM is 4. It doesn't have denominator, I'm writing 1. 1, 4 times 4 multiplies you. 8 into 4 is 32, 3. 9 into 4 is 36, 39. 392 minus 2 times 2 multiplies, you get 154 minus 77. Subtract 392 minus, add these two first, 154, 77, 11, 12, 13, 2. It is 231, 392 minus 231 divides by 4. 7 plus 4 is 11, 12, 13, 2. Subtract 1, 9 minus 3, 6, 1 divides by 4. Divide this and get the answer in centimeters 5. This is the area of the remaining piece. Question number 35. Question number 35. I'll be doing 35A. Look at this. Right angle triangle, semicircle. Then you have quadrant. Question says that calculate the area of the shaded region A, B, C, 21, 28. Again, separate the diagram. It's very important to write their dimensions. Without dimensions, you will not be able to calculate. So, triangle ABC. Base is given 21. Height is given 28. Then you have quadrant. Quadrant. Radius is given 21 centimeter because you get circle here. Then you have semicircle. You do not have value for semicircle given, either which is no diameter or radius, nothing is given. So we use Pythagoras theorem to get this. AC squared equals to AB squared plus BC squared. AC squared equals to AB is 28 squared, 21 squared. Multiply 28 2 times. 28, 28, 8, 8, 64, 6. 16 plus 6 is 22. 8 plus 8 into 2 is 16. 1, 2, 4, 5. 4, 8, 7. It is 784 plus 441. Add it up. 5, 2, 2, 1. AC equals to root under 125. Square root of 125 is 35. So you know this diameter 35 centimeter. Calculate radius 35 by 2 centimeter. We know all the dimensions. And once you know all the dimensions, you can easily calculate the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region. Look at the diagram carefully. This portion, area of triangle, because some part of triangles are shaded, plus area of semicircle. Semicircle's part is also shaded, minus area of quadrant, which is unshaded. This quadrant part is not shaded, so you have to subtract half into base into height, because it is a right angle triangle. Pi r squared by 2, pi r squared by 4. Substitute 1 by 2 into base is 21, height is 28, 22 by 7, radius of the semicircle is 35 by 2, 35 by 2. 2 is there, so we write 2. It is at denominator, so you can write there, or whole divides by 2. 22 by 7, radius is 21, 21 divides by 4. These values should be simplified now. 2 40 times 7, 5 times 35, 11 times 7, 3 times 21, 2, 11 times. Write down the values which are left. Values which are left. Then proceed with multiplication. 21 into 14 plus 11 into 5 into 35 divides by 4, minus 11 into 3 into 21 divides by 2. Look at the calculation part now. Multiply these two. 21 with 14. 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 9, 2. 294 plus 55 multiplies 35, 25, 27, 15, 16, 5, 12, 8, 9, 1. It is 1925 divides by 4. Second multiplication now. 33 into 21. 396. 3693 divides by 2. Take LCM now. Long calculation, so you need to have patience. 4 to LCM is 4. Multiplies here because denominator is 1. 4 multiplies 4 is 16, 1. 9 into 4 is 36, 37, 3. 4 to 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. Plus 1925 minus 2 times 6, 18, 12, 13. Add these two values and then subtract 1386, 1176, 1925, 11, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 2, 3. It is 3101 minus 1386 by 4. Subtract 1386, 591, 0, 10, 7. So it is 1715 divides by 4. 1715 divides by 4. 4 times 16. 1, 1, 2 times 8. 3, 5. 8 times 32. 3 decimal 0, 7 times 5 times. So it is 428.75 centimeters squared. Bit lengthy calculation. You have to do it. There is no other option left. calculation has to be done. So please do practice the sums from the exercise. Thank you very much. Stay safe.